How to make bets using options, Greeks, and flows. Why Greeks matter. Option Greeks equal key to predicting price behavior. Move beyond subject support and resistance. Using quantifiable data to time the entries and exits. There are 5 Greeks. Delta, directional force. Gamma, acceleration of delta. Theta, time of decay. And vega, volatility sensitivity. And rho, interest rate sensitivity. What are the Greeks tell you? Delta, price sensitivity. High delta calls equal bullish. Gamma equals speed of the delta. High gamma equals momentum. Theta, time decay. Hertz holders, helps sellers. Vega, IV changes. IV spike equals breakout. Rho, rate of sensitivity minus short-term impact. Real S and R comes from options flows. High option interest equal real support and resistance. Call wall equals price ceiling. Put wall equals price floor. Gamma flip equals high volatility zone. Spot setups with options flows. Large call option interest is bullish magnet. Put option interest below price is floor support, which is also bullish. Price greater than call wall is resistance likely equals bearish. Gamma flip, volatility ahead either. IV spike, big move incoming either. How to bet strategy selections. Bullish, long calls, call spreads. Bearish, long puts, put spread. IV crush, iron condor, self straddles. Big move, long straddle, strangle. Scalping. S and R flips with VWAP and gamma. Bullish examples. SPY is near 54.50. High call volume at 54.30C. Gamma wall at 52.5. Strategy buy 52 calls or 30 calls 1 to 2 weeks out. Exit near resistance or gamma wall. Bearish example. Tesla. Tesla is failing VWAP at 172. 1 million volume on top of 170 puts. IV is rising. Strategy is to buy 170 puts at 1 to 2 week expiry. Exit into flush or support. Stack the Greeks. High delta, directional strength. High gamma, volatility and momentum. Low theta, less decay risk. Rising vega, IV expansion boost value. Risk management. Don't YOLO weeklies unless scalping. Use spreads to limit risk. Small positions equal survival. Avoid holding near expiry overnight. Final tips. Combine VWAP, gamma, flow. Track OI changes daily. Option interest. Backtest flow reaction. Be mechanical, not emotional. Questions and resources. Platforms. Unusual Whales, Spot Gamma, Thinkorswim, or Tradetics for the unusual options. And that's it. And then you could have this. I have a nice notes to download or to buy in the description. Have a nice day. Bye.